Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, this time around, I will demonstrate kung gaano kaganda o ano yung tinasabi nilang bakit ano palang meron sa tubig na yan, ang tinatawag na sobrang taas ng kanyang antioxidant. Anyway, so ipapakita ko siya live. That is why meron tayo ditong iba't ibang samples ng tubig. So wala po akong intention na siraan ang mga brands na to. Itong purpose nito is purely educational. In fact, we have different types of water here. Ito naman, meron tayong galing sa water sa tap. This is representation ng lahat ng purified water. Ito ay representation ng lahat ng distilled water. Ito ay representation ng lahat ng mineral water. Ito naman ay magre-represent sa lahat ng sports drinks or energy drinks. And this one, magre-represent sa lahat ng soda. And this one, is yun yung ating Kangen water. So I have here, tinatawag nilang ORP meter. Ito yung ginagamit ng mga nasa Bureau of Fisheries at mga wastewater engineers. Example, mayroong fish kill. Kumukuha sila ng water sample at minimeasure nila ang ORP level. By the way, ORP means Oxidation Reduction Potential Meter. So, kunting backgrounder, pag positive ang ORP at it goes beyond 200, positive 200, ang tubig na yan or ang liquid na yan is oxidizing. Ibig sabihin nun, nakakabilis makakapag-rust or nakaka-contribute na sobrang bilis ang rusting process or aging ng ating katawan. Pag nasa opposite side siya ng spectrum, negative ORP siya, ibig sabihin nun is opposite ng oxidizing, so anti-oxidizing siya. Or, in short, source siya ng antioxidant. So, I will show you, kuha tayo ng sample from water from the tap, government-regulated na tubig. Of course, mayroon itong chlorine, mayroon itong siyang chemical na tinatawag na lye. And of course, this one, para mabilisan na lang is, as mentioned before, na ito yung representation ng lahat ng purified water. Ito naman, distilled. So, and then this one is lahat ng mineral water na binibenta sa market. The expensive one. And of course, ito yung representation ng lahat ng soda or sports drinks or energy drinks. And then, second to the last, of course, our soda. So, yan. Now, isa-isahin natin. So, ito yung ORP meter. Buksan lang natin. So, sa sinabi ko kanina, pag umabot ng positive 200 pataas, oxidizing na siya. So, let's see. This is water from the tap. Right now, it's 800 and it's going up. So, very oxidizing. How about purified water? Also, 800 plus, oxidizing. 200 pa nga lang, nakakatakot na how much more if it's 800 positive. How about this one? Also 875, 874, positive. And this one, 700, so it's positive. And then this one, sports drink, 700, still positive. And this one, positive. Lahat yun sila positive. Now, how about, kukuha tayo ng water from the machine. Ito yung Kangen. Ito yung pH 9.5 na sinabi ko sa video ko na ito yung ultimate drinking one. So, I'll get sample. Fresh from the machine so you can see na hindi ito magic. This is the actual water, Kangen water from the K8 machine. Highly recommended model, 8 plates. Kasi sobrang taas ng kanyang antioxidant. Hold on. The slower the flow, the better. The higher the antioxidant. If you have time, luxury of time, basta hindi siya maghingi ng increased flow, that's the best level. So, ayan. Oops. Ulit. Kunin natin yung mabagal. Okay, that one. Okay, and then lipat natin yung ORP. If you notice, it's 500 positive, 500, and then this time around, lilipat natin sa Kangen, fresh from the machine. There you go. Nakita niyo ba ang pag-change ng sign? From positive 1 to negative. So, balik ko siya sa tap water. So, you will see what will happen to the sign. Mayroon siyang negative sign. So, that's why it's anti-oxidizing. So, can you see this? So, right away, aakyatan siya positive going up. Pag ibalik mo siya sa Kangen, all the way from positive to negative, would you believe that vitamin C is just negative 37 or negative 40 plus ang kanyang antioxidant? Green tea is around negative 100. Cod liver oil is around negative 200. But this Kangen water is like 16 times, 17 times much potent than vitamin C, 8 times much potent than green tea when it comes to antioxidant, and around 4 times better than cod liver oil when it comes to antioxidant. So this is the reason why you can only have this property if you are drinking Kangen water fresh from the machine. The reason why this machine should be in every household in our country, in the Philippines, because of this property. Can you imagine drinking fresh from the machine, the highest antioxidant source liquid in the entire world? By the way, the antioxidant present in the water is, they call it molecular hydrogen H2. You can search on that kung ano yung gagawa ng molecular hydrogen H2, one of the most potent antioxidant in the world or in the planet Earth existing today. So, I am inviting everyone, as what I've said, you should have this machine at home.